Uh, but that but that's the info below the detention. Whoever below the kwa be afia ole wute. Chineke. I want to show a video and we see that this is a case of butterfly calling itself a bird. So according to Mathias, all the popular. So according to Mathias, all the more popular, that everybody supposedly know who wants to associate with Onyala. Who wants to associate with Onyala? Blord refusing to see you is a clear indication. Now that young man, the more intelligent than I even thought, because clearly a lot of people fear that this is an opportunity for them to prove a point that is not really there. So I don't know why you rush to prison to go and see Blord, because no one contact each other. No contact. Look at you. No contact. Because Abia Noka, Abia Nampo Biamuro. Of when you cannot down without and get well that. No contact. Take contact each and every you to go all this way. I don't know why most of you careless talk. Careless talk. Let me not that be any careless talk. Kono Ijeriki Jenye below the contact or your gino carrier bar 2 days. Holiday can aban. It's a noya no carrier 2 days. Eba register holiday. Asena contact ye contact Chief Justice Abi, Chief Justice of the Federation. Call contact Attorney General of the Federation. I want to know contact each other with if I na Blord I am on a detention carry 2 days. Eba na Easter holiday. Sometimes you know ijele eba ije chasing cloud. Ijele eba imagine all na Blord flow new audience. Imagine how you could have used him to build your profile. Imagine how you could have used him to build your profile. The young man, do very intelligent. Happen to be Blord aka. No nyala nuche. Happen to be Blord aka. That guy do smarter than all of you. Now try to advise I. That guy do smarter. Way smarter than all of you. Jesus Christ go this is a man being God to man. He will you know. All not entertain your mediocrity. The young man simply go na don't need any distraction. Happen to that young man aka all the equal to the task. Contact ye by the way, can you to the contact here? Everything involved KC Blord now. It's a legal process. It's a legal process, and that is why two people. Number one, CJN. Number two, Attorney General. Onya will contact each other. Onya. Everything involved KC Blord now. It's a legal battle. And for the mere fact that no team of lawyers, they can figure it out. They are capable. If they are not capable, only go ejecute a more capable one. So happen here. Who is in a China? Who is in a China? We understand you sympathizers of VDM trying to make him to be an alpha and omega, therefore trying to belittle Blord by pretending as if you people want to offer a kind of advice or a kind of help to him. You people should go and sit down. No one for help. Blord needs help. He knows the people he can call and ask for help. And there is no way he will call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them among that list. Help will do greater than help Arabia. Can you follow me? The young man said, "No man or by force no ya monye. He should not man in a monye Mathias." Okay? Is no when they see prison, but Ezeaku. Yes, it can be possible. It can be possible. A lot of people na sikwa ezugo. You got to go. Yes. Etu ihana. Aye no you know phone na mmadụ bụ aya amaghị. But to stop assuming that you are that popular that anywhere they mention your name. Blord will not draw interested in that rubbish in a corner Facebook. Why do you think he will want to associate with somebody like you? Onye wona kporo onwe ya onye Igbo. Onye wona kporo onwe ya onye Igbo. Do very intelligent and smart. Onye ndị na associate with you ndala na nditi. Ama agwa ya ko we ana m agwa ya. Ndị niile na associate with you. Wundala na nditi minus wadia na one or two other people. That I am still working on them. Man, and also needed. They are either with you to prove a point. They are either with you because they want to spite a particular people. They are not genuine. One any of them do genuine. Then I can show my brother Kobian and Kego, but say I no look on your no look on your milli no leba. Oji Hanyoma Webian and Kego, Obiakwan and Kego because they want to prove a point. Mention their names. All those people, for them, the content creators, they are just there with you just to prove a point. Which that point nobody is really interested in it. The first person who's a J update Blord. Imagine all no yellow audience. Imagine what the caption could have looked like or be like. He doesn't need your help. In fact, Mathias, let me tell you, you cannot help Blord. You cannot help Blord. Ngoma wonya ifolo lo Zeus bia gopota na oko ngoma ka lo Zeus bia gopota na oko ina ile DJ offer help eji mo say no me prominent people which prominent people can meet Blord that meet which prominent people they find in a meeting if you na Blord that a meeting jide contact hancha ile who among them let me understand who among them if you na Blord that a meeting or if he wants to meet them he cannot make call. I organize the meeting of her. I want to know. Yeah, in shock. If you ever feel that okay, why no one ever big man? No more people only he will over 20 real estate site and all that. If they introduce one, if they introduce one, if I ask you 10 things about Blord today, you will tell me. But so many people are more than 5 things about you. So you are just forcing yourself to be there. Otherwise, you are not there yet. Oh, and don't go and start believing that now the popular. Now everybody money and they say one a man in a money. I'm a good man today. I won't pass. I'm on you. I call one on you. Go to our video. Hey, we're on you. You wanna go? So apart from the fact that the guy was smart, a lot of you he will not give you people that chance and that opportunity. I like Kenya. Onworonyo ya wowolo taketa mandala manditi together. But I don't happy that the guy is so reserved, so coordinated and normal for Cholo. It is strictly a pure legal battle. And I know that his team of lawyers are very capable. They will figure it out. You rightly said, never hameliu na habia burie na wiki burie buje court ozugbo e we remind there if halolo you know that if halolo we not last. You know that if halolo we not last. And ngo we dey nye advice about na the VDM chego ndo mmadụ atụkọnyere but na nyanwa chego no from egwe ya gbagidoro okwu na ụka ọsọ gbachala okwu na ụka ọsọ. Look, let me tell you, ya gbagidoro okwu na ụka ọsọ gbachala okwu na ụka ọsọ. Even ngwa every day ka ị na-ekota ekota. If not that na ndị Igbo aya and I believe not in the spirit of that Igbo would atana Blord able so they may arrest. You gotta go, and that is why you keep getting away with a lot of nonsense. I'm just telling you now, okay, Malo? So don't even go and start assuming that you are being careful because of your business. No, you are actually one of the most careless people I know, based on some of the utterances in here and there. It's just that in the spirit of Igbos, we don't just arrest our brothers anyhow. You gotta go. I hope you get that point. So, Blord, thank you very much for resisting that devil and allowing him to free away from you. He is of no good. Now he may okay na kona bandi aso mo ko ti na na Duruna reverse. So thank you very much for being smart. Do not even allow every agwo ogrega okay to come close to you this time around. Keep that circle small. I know you are intelligent. I know you are smart. I know you know what you want. Stick to what you want. You gotta go. And they believe in it is strictly a pure legal battle. And they believe in that you have what it takes to figure it out. Now, so no connection. No connection gone in you. Only connection gone in you. Yeah? Onye fu apa na akwa akwụrụ. Onye akọji otu mpana. Ọsawa ezi ọdịmegwu. Ngwa ndị otu niile mapụtanụ. Ife mmeleketa ahụ na adọrọ two group of ndị ala. Ofu ndị ewu ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu. The other party won the rattles. So those two parties ndị ala adọkọsịrị ha ọnụ kịta ngwa somodonie. You gotta go.